Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to trade gold on Plus500. Trading gold can be a lucrative investment opportunity, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and the trading platform. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of trading gold on Plus500, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. First, you need to create an account on Plus500 and deposit funds. Once your account is activated, you can navigate to the trading platform and search for gold in the instrument search bar. Plus500 offers gold trading in the form of CFDs, which allows you to speculate on the price movement of gold without actually owning the physical asset. To open a trade, click on the buy or sell button, depending on your market prediction. If you think the price of gold will rise, you click buy, and if you think it will fall, you click sell. You can also set a stop loss and take profit levels to limit your potential losses and lock in your profits. It is essential to understand the concept of leverage when trading gold on Plus500. Leverage allows you to control a larger position with a smaller amount of capital, but it also increases your risk exposure. For example, if you use a leverage of 120, a $100 investment can control a $2,000 position. When trading gold, it is crucial to stay up to date with market news and analysis. Gold prices can be affected by various factors, including economic indicators, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. You can use technical and fundamental analysis to make informed trading decisions. To minimize your risk, it is recommended to use proper risk management techniques, such as setting stop loss and take profit levels, and diversifying your portfolio. You should also be aware of the trading hours and fees associated with trading gold on Plus500. In conclusion, trading gold on Plus500 can be a profitable venture if you have a solid understanding of the market and the trading platform. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can navigate the platform with confidence and make informed trading decisions. Remember to always use proper risk management techniques and stay up to date with market news and analysis to maximize your potential for success.